Hi there, students. At a low ebb. Okay, in a bad state, in a weak state. So the economy at the moment is at a low ebb. I've not been doing well very recently, and my confidence is at a low ebb. I've been ill for a couple of weeks, and my energy levels are really at a low ebb. Yeah, my mum died recently, and I've been feeling at a very low ebb. So if you're at a low ebb, you're at a low point. You're not very happy. So we ought to look at this word ebb. The tide in the sea goes up and the sea goes down. Well, not in the Mediterranean, but in decent seas, yes. And the tide goes up and then it ebbs, it goes out, it moves away from the coast, it falls to a lower level. And you can have your physical energy can ebb, it becomes less, it becomes stronger, it wanes, it disappears. I could feel my strength ebbing away. And finally, at 3 o'clock in the morning, my energy was at its lowest ebb. The tide can be on the ebb is when it's moving away from the coast. So, at a low ebb, in a weakened state, in a depressed state. So, confidence in the country was at a very low ebb due to the civil war. In a state of weakness, a period of weakness, in a period of decline where things aren't going well. So my confidence is at a low ebb, or consumer confidence is at a low ebb, and people are not spending. Morale among the workforce is at a low ebb. People are feeling depressed. The business cycle is at a low ebb, it's at a low point. If self-confidence is at a low ebb, then you, as a manager, you need to find a way to motivate people. Interest in this subject is at a low ebb. Okay, it's at a very low level. Basic research on this type of medicine is at a low ebb. My health was at a low ebb. Things were at a low ebb. Business is at a low ebb. Manufacturing is at a low ebb. Public confidence in the Prime Minister is at a low ebb. Orders at shipyards around the world are at a low ebb. The country's economy is at a low ebb. So it's at a low level. It means not doing well, not buoyant, not boosting, at a low point, in a state of decline or depression. When things are at a low ebb, well, they can probably still get worse. It's got the idea of the tide going out and out and out, and the tide is reaching its lowest point. Please don't give me any more bad news. I'm at a really low ebb at the moment. Interest in the course is at a low ebb, and that's because the teacher is so damn boring. Okay, so at a low point, in a state of decline, in a state of depression. So the company's finances are at a very low ebb, and we've got to find a way of getting more money. His reputation was at its lowest ebb before he managed to turn it round. So in an especially poor state. If somebody's at a low ebb, they're feeling depressed. Yeah, I was at a really low ebb, but my friend came to my aid and helped me. I was mentally at my lowest ebb. If something's at a low ebb, it's falling and failing, and it's at a very low level. The whole project was at a low ebb, and I thought it was going to fail. Okay, so at a low ebb, things are going badly. This comes from this word ebb, to go out, from ebba in Old English, and ebb tide, from Proto-Germanic abjo, off, away. So, to be at a low ebb.